Kanmagan, I'm Hannah.
Maing buntag, I'm Elda,
Your Moment Makers. And we're now here at the Airbus facility in Hamburg, Germany.
Exciting times ahead for Cebu Pacific ug sa atong tanan.
Now it's time to check the interior of this aircraft. And I'm so excited. Are you ready, Elda?
Never been this ready, Hannah. How about you guys? Cause we'll take you with us. Tara, manulod na ta.
This Airbus A321 aircraft has an expanded seating capacity, which means daghang likuran and mas ubos na pamasahe alang sa tanan.
With as much as 20% lower fuel consumption, more seats, and extended flying range, the A321neo will usher in a new era of lower cost and lower fares, as well as exciting commercial opportunities for Cebu Pacific.
This A321neo aircraft can bring 236 passengers to their destination, a luxury. Now that's how we keep our fares low. Our newest aircraft is fully equipped with state-of-the-art reclinable seats. There's more legroom and space in the cabin, perfect for a long-legged person like me. Plus, you can now charge your devices in flight because of its built-in USB port.
We're currently on board the brand new Airbus A321 jet and we're excited to fly this home.
Thank you so much for being part of the entire team.
And we just can't wait for you to be on board. This has been Elda.
And I'm Hannah.
More moments ahead with our new Airbus A321neo.